experiencing a Spectrum modem that won't connect to your Wi-Fi router? This often boils down to issues with the wide area network, dynamic host configuration protocol, or the initial modem activation. The modem connects your home to Spectrum's internet via coaxial cable, translating the signal for your router. The router then creates your local Wi-Fi network. A connection problem means the modem isn't handing off data to the router. First, ensure your coaxial cable is securely connected to the modem. Next, verify that the Ethernet cable connects the modem to the router. Verify that your modem is activated through Spectrum's website or app using the modem's serial number and your account details. The activation process registers the modem's MAC address with Spectrum, enabling the DHCP lease. Power cycling both the modem and router is crucial to refresh the DHCP lease from Spectrum. Make sure to check for any known outages in your area using the My Spectrum app or website. When basic troubleshooting doesn't work, focus on DHCP and WAN settings. DHCP automatically assigns IP addresses to devices on your network. WAN refers to the external connection to Spectrum's cable network. Problems like IP conflicts or lease timeouts can cause no internet errors. These issues interrupt the DHCP process or WAN connectivity. The My Spectrum app, integrated with AI-driven diagnostics since mid-2025, helps automate troubleshooting by analyzing signal strength and suggesting fixes. If problems persist, log into your router's admin panel and ensure it's set to automatically obtain an IP address as a DHCP client. Check your router's manual for instructions. Also, check for modem firmware updates, which Spectrum frequently rolls out to improve DHCP lease management and WAN stability. If issues continue, contact Spectrum support for remote diagnostics. Be prepared to provide your modem's MAC address and serial number. If you're consistently experiencing issues, especially with older hardware, consider upgrading your modem or router. User forums like Reddit's r/Spectrum highlight that resetting the modem to factory settings and reactivating via the app can sometimes resolve stubborn DHCP errors.